Okay, today is the 17th of May, the stormy day, and I'm at the area of Gulmohar where I stay. And look at this devastation. This is just right next to our building, which I never knew. I just come down to just take a stroll and look what's happened. I can see a tree. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this is such an old tree of the garden. Sad, very sad. Oh, mama! There's a complete car being crushed under this another tree. And there are some shops which have also been affected. And poor dogs on the street are totally confused because this is where they actually are. Look, they just. Yeah, there's one more. He's a street dog. I'm aware of it. Oh, another one. Oh my God. And I have some. I can see some team of some well-wishers of this society of this area, wondering how they can solve this issue. And one more tree down there.